What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best home security systems in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In the quest for an affordable yet high-quality home security system, Wyze Home Monitoring emerges as the top budget-friendly option for 2023. Its professional monitoring services are the most reasonably priced among all security systems on the market. Additionally, Wyze's sensors and security cameras provide excellent performance at a fraction of the cost of other brands. While Wyze Home Monitoring lacks cellular backup and third-party smart home integration, its low monthly monitoring fees make it an attractive alternative to more expensive systems. Ultimately, your choice depends on what features you're willing to sacrifice for the affordability provided by Wyze. When an alarm is triggered, Wyze Monitoring's professionals will contact you. The package also includes Cam Plus cloud storage for one camera. Wyze can offer such low monitoring fees because it doesn't rely on a cellular connection like most security systems. Although there's no backup in case of internet or power outages, this scenario is rare for most users. For those who wish to self-monitor their equipment without a recurring fee, options are limited. Non-subscribers lose access to power-on modes in the keypad. However, no other security system can match the value offered by Wyze's equipment, including its high-quality sensors and security cameras. To obtain Wyze Home Monitoring equipment, you must sign up for a monitoring plan, with the choice between monthly and yearly subscriptions. While Wyze used to include the core starter kit with the annual plan, the company has now adopted an a la carte approach, offering the Wyze Sense V2 Hub for free instead. A 3-month trial monitoring service is included with your kit. To set up your Wyze security system, you must first activate it using the code provided by Wyze via email. Next, install the hub and connect it to the internet using the Wyze app, which will guide you through the remaining steps. The installation process for the starter kit is simple, taking only about 15 minutes to set up the 3 sensors, hub, and keypad. The hub can connect to your home network via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable, while the keypad and sensors come with pre-installed batteries. Simply remove the plastic tab to power them up. Are you searching for a product that offers the greatest value for your money? Look no further. We present to you the Adobe Smart Security Kit, the top-rated home security system in 2023. The Abode Smart Security Kit strikes the perfect balance between a basic self-monitored DIY security system and a professionally installed monitored solution. Its installation is a breeze, and it can seamlessly integrate with numerous Z-Wave and Zigbee smart home devices, including door locks, lighting systems, and smart switches, ensuring comprehensive protection for your entire home. Additionally, it's compatible with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. The package compromises a sleek black and white gateway hub, one door window sensor, a key fob, and a motion detector. The gateway measures 7.7 by 1.7 by 5.7 inches HVD and features a small LED status light on the front. This light typically remains off, but it glows red when an alarm is triggered and amber if there's a connection issue with the gateway. The rear panel houses the LAN port, SIM card slot, battery backup switch, and power connector. Inside the gateway is a rechargeable battery capable of providing up to 12 hours of backup power during power outages. Also, it contains RF, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and cellular radios to maintain connectivity with the gateway even if your internet connection fails. However, this feature requires a subscription to the Adobe Pro plan. A powerful 93 decibel siren is also built in, activating when a sensor is triggered while the system is armed. The door window sensors come pre-paired from the factory, and at 1.2 by 3.2 by 0.8 inches are larger and bulkier than most competitors. In comparison, the Vivint Smart Home System sensors, 1.0 by 2.7 by 0.4 inches, are half the size. The motion detector, measuring 3.5 by 2.6 by 2.0 inches, employs PIR, passive infrared technology, offering up to 35 feet of motion detection range and powered by 2 AA batteries. The Adobe system can be controlled using an Android or iOS mobile device or from a computer using a web portal. The factory-paired sensors and remotes simplify the installation process. Good stuff. Introducing the Vivint Smart Home, the finest smart home security system on the market in 2023. Having a dependable and user-friendly security system equipped with cutting-edge technology is crucial for your home or business. The Vivint Smart Home Security System is your ultimate solution, providing professional equipment, continuous monitoring, and a sleek platform to control your entire home. While numerous DIY options exist, it's essential to have the best technology and a dedicated team when it comes to security. The Vivint Smart Home System offers an all-in-one solution for home security and automation, with 24/7 support and monitoring, as well as state-of-the-art technology. Vivint understands the need for a seamless system where everything works together from one simple app, making it the top choice for a safer, smarter home. The Vivint Smart Home app allows you to control your integrated home automation and security system from the palm of your hand. You can adjust your thermostat, arm your system, open doors, and even check feeds from your cameras with ease. To ensure comprehensive protection, Vivint Vivint offers a suite of smart home security products, including a doorbell camera, outdoor and indoor cameras, smart locks, door, window, water, and motion sensors, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and a device that safeguards your car while integrating with your smart home. Vivint's outdoor cameras capture high-quality footage, ensuring maximum effectiveness. Additionally, you can access the camera images from anywhere using the user-friendly app on your phone. Vivint's indoor and front door cameras also boast excellent specs, providing comprehensive coverage for your home. Unlike some security providers that outsource their monitoring, Vivint maintains in-house monitoring services. This means you can rest easy knowing your home is monitored 24/7 by someone familiar with the system. If an alarm is triggered, Vivint's monitoring team will promptly contact you and even reach out to emergency personnel if required. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Introducing the SimpliSafe Home Security System, which earned the second-place title for the best home security system in 2023. SimpliSafe is a user-friendly, DIY smart home security solution that effectively protects your home from intruders and environmental hazards such as fires and floods. This impeccable system achieves its goal of providing simple, flexible home security, enabling remote monitoring with or without a cost-effective monthly plan. SimpliSafe strikes the perfect balance of exceptional quality services. One of the standout features of SimpliSafe is its adaptability, offering 5 pre-configured packages to choose from. The high-end Haven package includes 14 hardware components like a base station, wireless keyboard, remote key fob, 2 motion sensors, 4 door window entry sensors, panic button, 105 decibel siren, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide, water freeze sensors, and SimpliSafe yard sign and window decals. For smart homes that require only basic security measures, the most affordable foundation package comprises a base station, wireless keyboard, 1 motion sensor, 1 empty sensor, and a yard sign with stickers. While SimpliSafe doesn't usually provide packages with cameras, locks, or doorbells, these add-ons can be purchased separately. Additional components can also be bought individually to customize your package or expand an existing one. For example, if your first floor has numerous windows, you might consider adding a glass break sensor or more entry sensors. For professional monitoring, SimpliSafe offers a standard monthly plan that comes with 24/7 coverage. If a sensor is activated, SimpliSafe will contact you and dispatch the police if you don't provide the predetermined safe word during setup. Alternatively, if you prefer not to pay monthly fees, SimpliSafe can function as a local alarm, leaving it up to you to contact the authorities when a sensor is triggered. There are no contracts or commitments, and you can start, stop, or change plans at any time. The internal camera can be adjusted for height and tilt, but does not have pan or zoom capabilities. However, the 120-degree lens offers a wide field of view. Night vision footage is clear, and motion detection sensitivity can be fine-tuned within the app. Overall, SimpliSafe Home Security System receives our enthusiastic approval. Having thoroughly analyzed numerous reviews and user experiences, we have determined that the Ring Alarm Pro is the top home security system available in 2023. This exceptional product combines the strengths of 3 major Amazon brands into a single device, resulting in a highly sophisticated, flexible, and affordable security solution. The Ring Alarm Pro also provides excellent security and data privacy options, which further enhances its appeal. To get the most value from the Ring Alarm Pro, it's recommended to purchase one of the available bundles and add any additional devices you may need, rather than buying everything separately. In our testing, Ring's devices consistently performed as expected, demonstrating fast response times and reliability. The motion detector, power supply, and keypad were similarly dependable, while the Ring stick-up camera met all expectations. The Ring Alarm Pro also introduces several innovative features not commonly found in other home security systems. These include built-in Wi-Fi 6, backup Wi-Fi in the event of a power outage, integration with Alexa Guard Plus, local storage and processing options, and the Ring Call Edge feature. One standout feature is the backup Wi-Fi capability, which ensures that your Wi-Fi-enabled devices remain connected via cellular data during a power or internet outage. With a wide range of configurations available, the Ring Alarm Pro can accommodate both small and large spaces, while allowing for the addition of extra components at any time. What truly sets this system apart from its competitors is the backup support it offers for power and internet outages. Although similar features exist in other systems, Ring Alarm Pro extends internet backup to all devices, not just the main unit and its connected sensors. The kit includes 1 Alarm Pro base station, 2 keypads, 8 window door contact sensors, 2 corridor room motion detectors, and 1 alarm range extender. Users can expand coverage and detection capabilities by adding alarm sensors and Eero 6 extenders sold separately. The system also boasts fast, secure internet connectivity with Wi-Fi speeds up to 900 megabytes per second and coverage of up to 1,500 square feet. Users often praise the ease of installation offered by the Ring Alarm Pro. The package contains everything needed for setup, requiring only that users plug in the base station, configure settings via the Ring and Aero apps, and position sensors in optimal locations. Additionally, integration with Alexa allows for convenient voice-activated control of the security system using the Ring Protection app. Overall, the Ring Alarm Pro sets a new standard for home security systems in 2023, delivering unparalleled performance, features, and reliability. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best? You got it. So that's it. it for the top 5 best home security systems in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.